Hurricane Hilary, California braces for catastrophic floods amid heavy rain by storm forecasters noted that this is the first tropical storm to hit Southern California in 84 years. Vehicles cross over a flood control basin that has almost reached the street, Sunday, August 20th, 2023, in Palm Desert, California. Forecasters said Tropical Storm Hilary was the first tropical storm to hit Southern California in 84 years, bringing the potential for flash floods, mudslides, isolated tornadoes, high winds, and power outages. AP, Southern California, where it flooded roads, brought down trees, and raised concerns about flash floods reaching places as far north as Idaho. In the midst of the storm approaching Southern California, a surprise earthquake of a preliminary magnitude 5.1 hit the region near Ojai, about 130 kilometers, 80 miles, northwest of downtown Los Angeles, according to the U.S. Geological Survey. However, there were no reports of damage or injury. Forecasters noted that Hilary is the first tropical storm to hit Southern California in 84 years. It brought floods, mudslides, strong winds, power outages, and the chance of isolated tornadoes. The storm has already brought over 6 inches, 15.24 centimeters, of rain to some mountain areas and threatened to bring more rain than the usual annual amount to inland desert regions.